Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel again. So guys, today the recipe that we're gonna be making is also summer special recipe. It's a salad with eggplants and tomato, and it's so delicious that even the ones who don't like it will start eating it. So for that, I've taken one big eggplant and I've peeled it, then sliced it into vertical slices. The thickness you can see, it shouldn't be too thick or too thin. After that, we're gonna heat the frying pan and we'll add a little bit of oil into it. We're gonna let the oil heat. When the oil is heated, we're gonna add the slices. You can see the pieces are not that thin. If they're too thin, they'll burn, and we want them to be juicy and soft. Here, when one side is cooked, we're gonna turn it over and let it cook. While it's cooking, we're gonna be cutting a tomato into medium size thickness, as just like we did with the eggplant. And I've cut two medium-sized tomatoes. Here we're gonna slice them off, and then again we're gonna be just toasting them or roasting them from both sides so we can peel it off easily. You can see the thickness is neither too thick nor too thin. Here I've taken some parsley and I'm gonna cut it thinly. If you don't have parsley, you can use coriander leaves. It works well as well. The taste differs a little, but not to an extent that it feels totally different. So here I've added the tomato slices. We're gonna be roasting them into the pan with a little bit of oil. Make sure the pan is heated so the slices don't stick. So here the eggplant was cooked from both sides, and I'm gonna cut them first vertically, then we're gonna be cutting it into small cubes. Just like that, we are done with the roasting the tomatoes as well, and it's easy to take off the peel. I'm gonna be peeling all the slices and then cut them into cubes just like we did with the eggplant. Here we are almost done with cutting the tomatoes. Just chop it off because we don't want bigger chunks of tomato, neither the eggplant, in our salad. It feels like a paste. Here I've taken 4 garlic cloves, and we're gonna crush them to get a smooth paste that we're gonna be using later. So here you can see eggplant and tomatoes. I've both added them into a bowl. It was almost 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then we're gonna add the parsley. Here I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. If you have olive oil, that works well, but here I've just used vegetable oil, and then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now when it comes to the spices, I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna mix it all together. That's it. It's a very simple, quick, and delicious recipe that you can eat it with bread, or like even just like this. It tastes so good. You can actually make sandwiches with it. Don't have to stand in front of the stove for so many hours to cook, especially in hot summer. So here we have mixed everything all together. We're just gonna make sure that all the spices get incorporated into both tomatoes and eggplant. So you can see it looks like kind of a paste. Trust me, you're gonna eat it once and you're just gonna fall in love with eggplant, and you would want to eat it over and over again. So you can see here our eggplant and tomato salad is ready. I want you guys to try it out and let me know your feedback. How did you like it?